Hi, Wayne here. Hey, one of the things that I really like about the Bugs Outside the Box exhibition, besides the enormous cool bug sculptures, is this. Are you ready? A giant body of a dead beetle. Actually, it's just an anatomically correct reproduction. But it is so cool because you are able to see that these animals are animals and not just big sacks of goo that can end up on your windshield. That is extraordinary. You can take these things apart. And I'm just going to show you this, how this comes apart right here, just like that. And then the bottom part comes up as well. And in just a second, I'm going to show you the rest of the internal stuff. Hey, Paul, why don't you come in and just focus right down on here. This is just so cool.
As you can see, all the parts that make a beetle an animal are right here, except they may look different and certainly are arranged in the body differently than other more familiar groups of animals, especially those with an internal skeleton and a backbone. For instance, here we have the brain of the stag beetle. It runs all the way from up here where it makes the connections to the eyeballs, which are here, and from here, this is the central control system for the entire animal. Underneath the brain, we have the path of the food. So the food, in this case, plant material and nectar, enters in point A, swirls around in point B, down all the way down through here, and eventually exits the beetle at point C. This is the respiratory system. They're like us. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, but they don't have lungs like we do. Instead, they take in air from spiracles that are located outside of the abdomen here, and it goes in through these structures where the appropriate gases are exchanged. Here underneath we have the gonads. Yes, the gonads. Since this is a male beetle, these are the testes. This is where they produce the sperm. And so they are able then to go on and make little beetles. The muscular system. You can see these are bundles of muscle fiber, and they run everything from these will be running the mandibles, giant mandibles here, making them close and open. And these are flight muscles and muscles that go into the legs. The same thing with here, powerful flight muscles, and the other muscles that will go into moving the legs and moving the abdomen and so on and so forth. So you see, this animal is really an animal. It has all the stuff that makes it go and makes it move, find food, find a mate, reproduce.